Hello and welcome to Civil Field Trainers. Today I'll be making an announcement regarding our new course that is basically Advanced Flat Slab Design with Autocad Detailing. So if I take you to the content of this course, it is available both in English and Hindi. You can see here it is available both in English and Hindi. If I show you the English content, basically you can see we have approximately 17 videos here. Okay, and all the 17 videos are regarding flat slabs only. I think one or two videos are there that is basically 12 minutes and 15 minutes long. But apart from that, almost all the videos are 20 to 30 minutes long. Okay, I could have easily broken up these videos, right? If you see preliminary size of drop panels, I could have easily made two videos and increase the number of videos over here. Okay, made it 34 or 35 or something like that. But what my idea is, because this is an advanced course, it is important for you to understand the entire topic in one sitting. Okay, if you lose the any link, you'll completely miss the point. All right, that is why what I have done, I have completely clubbed the entire one topic into one video. Okay, so if you see preliminary size of flat drop panels, it is one video for 40 minutes. Okay, so like this, there are approximately 17 concepts that you'll be learning in the Flat Slabs content over here. So if I take you to the content of this particular other material of this course, let me just zoom out. You can see this is the entire material of the Flat Slab course. All right. So if I take you to the very first part, you can see preliminary size of Flat Slab components. This is there over here. And if you see here, I have mentioned the entire clause along with the code book, along with the page number, and along with the clause number. Okay. How do we decide the thickness of flat slab? So many clauses are given in the code book. I have reword them in my own way so that you can understand it easily. Okay, so not just in the very first part. If you see, this is completely for the initial sizes, preliminary sizes for the flat slab. But if you come for the next portion, that is basically modeling of flat slab, you can see again here, for each and everything I have mentioned the code book that I have used, the page number that I have used, the table that I have used. Even for something like a rebar, for rebar what basically we use IS 1786 2008. So even this code book I'll give it to you. If you don't have code books, let me know. I'll add the code books also to the mix. So in the first part you'll understand what are the sizes, what are the components of flat slabs, and what are the preliminary sizes for all those components. In the second part we'll going towards the modeling part. Okay, how to model it and everything. And if you come for the modeling part, I think nearly 1.5 hours we have spent just on the modeling portion. See, initial 30 minutes we have spent, then again 38 minutes we have spent on modeling of Flat Slab in safe software. Okay, why do we use safe software? Because of the punching shear. You cannot carry out punching shear in ETABS 16 version, 19 version, 21 version. You cannot carry out punching shear checks in all those versions, as far as I know. So generally, what do? We design the Flat Slabs in the safe software. All right, then comes the analysis part. Now, this is the reason why we call this an advanced course, because here I'm not doing a simple elastic deflection check. I'll be carrying out a long-term deflection check over here. Okay, in this creep and shrinkage will be there, and correct sections also will be considered. All right. So if you see, there's a complete flow section like this I have created for you for your reference, and even for the long-term deflection check, I have given you a checklist. These are the 5 things that we have to consider. And then what is the crack section? What is the theory behind it? What is creep and shrinkage? What is the theory behind it? I have given you all of this. And when we do the advanced analysis, basically non-linear load case analysis, if you see here, we have after applying load and everything, I'm even teaching you how to apply temperature load, just basics of it. Then if you come over here for the nonlinear analysis, almost we are spending nearly 1 hour on long-term deflection and the nonlinear analysis. So again, the entire definition, what are the steps that you have to follow step by step, I have given you everything. Okay, so all you have to do is pause the video and make a note of all this. Or what I'll do is I'll make a PDF book out of this. I'll take sections of this, okay, of this entire material. I'll make sections and I'll try to provide you separate PDF files or just one PDF book of this entire material for you for your reference. That way, when you come and want to refer anything, you can just go to this particular page, go to this particular class, and open up this particular code book and do your work. Okay, you don't have to sit and find or search for it. Everything will be given here in the red color. So when you come to the analysis part, we'll do the long-term deflection check. Then we'll do our punching shear check. I have even explained what is one-way shear, what is two-way shear, at which distance you have to find the shear. Okay, all this, the difference between one-way and two-way shear I have mentioned. Then how do you find the one-way shear in safe? Okay, how do you find the one-way shear in safe? And how do you carry out punching shear in safe? How to make anything safe in punching shear? All these concepts, if you see, it's like a complete flow chart that I have created. Okay, this will help you understand the topics even better. Then finally we have the detailing portion. If you come here, you can see the last 1.5 hours is for the detailing part. So you're seeing this whole thing, no? This whole 8 hours of content that I have here, advanced level content, all the advanced analysis and everything, is completely dedicated to designing flat slabs, start to end. That's why I'm calling this course as Advanced Flat Slab Design with Autocad Detailing. Okay, one single element you're designing start to finish for 8 whole hours. All right. So when the course gets launched, so you'll have this first three videos free. Okay, you can watch the first 3 videos, nearly 1.5 hours of content I'll give you. You can sit and watch it. Like if you open up this, I have started with something called a SketchUp.
Hello, welcome back to
Okay,
the Flat Slab
I've started with
course. My
SketchUp,
name
then you go forward.
is
You can see I'm
normal
explaining everything in the
they would
AutoCAD.
call up
All right. If you have taken any
Flat
of my
Slab.
other courses, you know that I don't do PPTs and all, right? I rather show it to you, type it, and show it to you, or I use the Paint software. This time I use this software so that I can maintain everything in one place. AutoCAD software. All right. So you can just come and check out the content. Both I have made it free. First three videos are free in English version also and Hindi version also. The first three videos are free for you. You can sit and watch those videos, and both of them are 88 hours of content only. Now when it comes to the pricing point, right now the price is going to be 1499 for this complete course, because this is an advanced course. Many people don't teach you how to do flat slabs and all. Okay, when you come for commercial projects, only in commercial projects generally we see the flat slabs. So it's a very niche topic, and so that's the price is going to be 1499 for this. Okay, and only during the launch day offer, what I'll do, I'll give you coupon codes. Okay, by using the coupon codes you can get this course for 499 rupees. Okay, because you're part of the WhatsApp group, you can find the link in the description for this. So whoever is that part of that one WhatsApp group, you can get this course for 499 rupees only on that day. Okay, I have kept a cap also of 50 students. The moment we hit 50 students, that coupon code will completely expire off. Okay, I don't want many people to just come in. The 50 people who will come in, they have to give me feedback. Okay, that is why I'm making this course as 499 rupees only for you people. Okay, watch the content, give me some feedback. If you want me to add some more content to it, we'll definitely go and improve the content. If you know my channel, you can come and see here. All this Excel sheets and all are added after your input only. People who had taken the 8 apps course, they were like, sir, we want advanced Excel sheets for detailing. So I have created this. And all these are doubt sessions for the students. Okay, they even wanted a course on the construction process. They were like, sir, we are not able to understand how the construction process take place. So I had created a course regarding that also. So based on your feedback, the updates for this content will be made. Okay, not in this quarter, maybe next quarter I'll make the updates, hopefully. But your feedback is paramount. That is why only the first 50 students will be given the coupon code. After that, it will be 1499, and whenever the coupon code is there, you can get the course at the coupon code price, but it will not be less than it will not be the 499 price point. Okay, this is an advanced course. I don't want many people to just jump into it. If you are interested in learning the content, if you're interested in investing 8 hours of your life, see, in one go you won't be able to understand the whole thing. Okay, you have to sit and watch at least 2 or 3 times to understand this entire thing. Okay, basically for the analysis results part, nowhere I have mentioned M1, M2, V1, 2, V2, 3 when it comes to 8 apps content of ours, if you remember. But here, because this is a flat slab, we have to look at the results in this way only. Okay, so you have to check all this, and even the long-term deflection check that I'm showing you, you can apply this long-term deflection check to your 8 app software. Okay, for the building part also, you can apply the long-term deflection check. All right. So like this, the entire course is there. The first 3 videos will be free. I launched this course on Monday morning, 10 o'clock. I launched the course. You can come and watch the first 3 videos and then make your decision. If you're happy with the course, if you want to learn flat slabs, you can come and make the purchase at what price point? At the price point of 499 rupees. 50 coupon codes are launched from my end. Okay. 50 coupon codes are launched. Last time some students had an issue with the coupon codes, they were not able to redeem it, but this time I'll make sure everyone is able to redeem it. Whoever are the part of the WhatsApp group, it will directly reflect in your accounts. So you can go and redeem the coupon code there, but the moment 50 sales are happening, the coupon code will expire off. Okay, so please make sure that you don't waste time. Monday morning at 10 o'clock, I launch this course. You can watch the first 3 videos in English or Hindi version and then make your call. If you want to learn flat slabs from me, you can come and learn the flat slabs then. All right, thank you.